How often do you visit theaters?
Regularly, I love the cinema atmosphere.
How often do you visit theaters?
Weekly, it's a favorite pastime.
How often do you visit theaters?
I visit for big blockbuster premieres.
How do you choose which movie to watch?
Check reviews and ratings beforehand.
How do you choose which movie to watch?
I follow my favorite directors.
How do you choose which movie to watch?
Trailers and previews grab my attention.
Any favorite movie franchise or series?
Star Wars, the epic space saga.
Any favorite movie franchise or series?
Harry Potter, a magical journey.
Any favorite movie franchise or series?
Fast and Furious, thrilling car chases.
What's your opinion on movie critics?
I value reviews for guidance.
What's your opinion on movie critics?
I prefer forming my own judgments.
What's your opinion on movie critics?
Critics can be too harsh.
How early do you arrive?
Well before the previews start.
How early do you arrive?
Just in time for the movie.
How early do you arrive?
Early for good seats always.
Do you watch movie trailers intentionally?
Yes, they help me choose.
Do you watch movie trailers intentionally?
No, prefer going in blind.
Do you watch movie trailers intentionally?
I watch online trailers often.
Do you attend film festivals?
Yes, love the variety offered.
Do you attend film festivals?
No, not a fan of festivals.
Do you attend film festivals?
Attended once, but it's not regular.
How do you feel about movie remakes?
Some are good, others not.
How do you feel about movie remakes?
Remakes can't beat the originals.
How do you feel about movie remakes?
I enjoy modern takes on classics.
Do you want butter on popcorn?
Yes, extra butter, please.
Do you want butter on popcorn?
No, just plain popcorn is fine.
Do you want butter on popcorn?
I prefer no butter at all.
What size soda would you like?
Large, for the ultimate refreshment.
What size soda would you like?
Medium, the perfect drink size.
What size soda would you like?
No soda, just water for me.
Would you like a combo deal?
Yes, a combo for better value.
Would you like a combo deal?
Combo with a discount, sure.
Would you like a combo deal?
I'll pass on the combo.
What's your opinion on movie ratings?
Ratings guide my movie choices.
What's your opinion on movie ratings?
They're subjective, I trust reviews.
What's your opinion on movie ratings?
Sometimes, a lower rating surprises.
Any favorite movie director or actor?
Christopher Nolan, love his style.
Any favorite movie director or actor?
Quentin Tarantino, his films captivate.
Any favorite movie director or actor?
Steven Spielberg, a legendary filmmaker.
How do you feel about animated movies?
Love them, not just for kids.
How do you feel about animated movies?
Indifferent, some are entertaining enough.
How do you feel about animated movies?
No strong preference, enjoy variety.
How many packs of nachos?
1, for a solo indulgence.
How many packs of nachos?
2, sharing with a friend.
How many packs of nachos?
No nachos, not a fan.
Would you like a hot dog?
Yes, with all the toppings.
Would you like a hot dog?
No, not in the mood.
Would you like a hot dog?
Hot dog combo, please.
How many packs of candy?
1, for a solo treat.
How many packs of candy?
2, sharing with a friend.
How many packs of candy?
No candy, watching my sugar.
What's your preferred movie time?
Evening, it sets the perfect mood.
What's your preferred movie time?
Late night, I'm a night owl.
What's your preferred movie time?
Anytime, as long as it's available.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Yes, at a movie premiere.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Once, at a film festival.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Celebrities are regular people too.
How do you feel about movie spoilers?
Hate them, they ruin the experience.
How do you feel about movie spoilers?
I'm careful to avoid spoilers.
How do you feel about movie spoilers?
Sometimes, spoilers don't bother me.
Do you attend midnight premieres?
No, prefer more relaxed viewing.
Do you attend midnight premieres?
Attended once, but it's intense.
Do you attend midnight premieres?
I'm a fan, always attend.
What's your take on movie marathons?
Love them, especially for franchises.
What's your take on movie marathons?
Occasionally, if it's a favorite.
What's your take on movie marathons?
No, prefer watching one at a time.
How do you handle talking during movies?
Politely ask them to be quiet.
How do you handle talking during movies?
Ignore it, part of the experience.
How do you handle talking during movies?
I prefer silent viewing environments.
Do you have a favorite snack?
Popcorn, a classic movie choice.
Do you have a favorite snack?
Candy, can't resist the sweetness.
Do you have a favorite snack?
Nachos, love the cheesy goodness.
What's your preferred snack combo?
Popcorn and candy, a classic.
What's your preferred snack combo?
Nachos and soda, savory delight.
What's your preferred snack combo?
Create a surprise combo for me.
How do you react to movie endings?
Love a good twist ending.
How do you react to movie endings?
Prefer happy endings usually.
How do you react to movie endings?
Indifferent, as long as it's satisfying.
How do you choose your movie seats?
Center for the best viewing angle.
How do you choose your movie seats?
Back row for a quieter experience.
How do you choose your movie seats?
Front row, I like being close.
How do you feel about silent films?
Indifferent, I prefer dialogue-driven films.
How do you feel about silent films?
Not a fan, prefer modern storytelling.
How do you feel about silent films?
Silent films have a unique charm.
Do you follow film awards shows?
Yes, they influence my watch list.
Do you follow film awards shows?
No. Awards don't determine my choices.
Do you follow film awards shows?
Awards can be subjective sometimes.